How to use Samsung Smart Switch to backup data on your Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to account and backup. Tap on account and backup. Tap on bring data from old device in Smart Switch option. Tap on it. Now you can transfer data from an old Samsung phone to new Samsung phone or tablet, including pictures, contact, apps, messages. Tap on bring data from old device. Tap on send data or receive data you want. Here we send the data to new device. Tap on wireless. Now searching the nearby device. Make sure enable smart switch on your new both device Galaxy device. Now go to settings in new device. Search the smart switch. Search the smart switch. Tap on it. Tap on open. Now tap on receive data. Now select the device Galaxy or iPhone, Android. Here we select Samsung Android. Tap on wireless or cable. Here we select the wireless. Now wait until find the phone. Here you can see your phone name, this phone. Now you can see connect to the transfer your data, old Samsung to new Samsung. Tap on connect. Now you can see connecting to transfer your data. Allow the connection. Now you can see transfer data using Samsung Smart Suite to old Samsung device to new Samsung device. Now wait until complete the process. Now you can see data everything 15.46 GB. Just account, call, contact, message or custom select. Here we select everything. Tap on next. Backup your messaging app data. Tap the next. Now transferring your data from old Samsung device to new Samsung device. Here you can see the backup data. Tap on a keep screen on to keep screen on your device, both device. Now wait until complete the process of transferring data to your Samsung device. Now you can see process is running. You can see different backup Samsung Cloud, Clock, Calendar. Here you can see list of backup Samsung Health, call logs, apps and app data. So wait until complete the process on your device to transfer data from new Samsung device. Now you can see complete the almost process. You can see transfer files, images, 98% complete in my device. So it will take time to transfer data from your new Samsung device from old Samsung device using the Samsung Smart Switch. It will back up all your data, phone gallery, photo, Samsung accounts, Google accounts, data files, images, text messages, all data backup easily in just one click using the Samsung Smart Switch feature. Now you can see complete the process. 99.6% complete transferring data on your device. Now you can see all done. Tap on a done button. Now organize your transfer data to new device. So it's quite easy to backup data using Samsung Smart Switch. That's it. If you like it, share it.